guys, what's up? This is your girl Deanna. In today's video, I'm coming to you with a recap on the season finale of Married at First Sight. Did they divorce? Did they stay together? No fluff in this video. I'm coming to you with all of the details straight up. Stay watching.
Don't even know my name, but she wanna know the game. She thinks that I'm a
So I'm starting off with Deanna and Greg. I have a little bit of notes here. Guys, I love this couple. Here is the results. Did they stay together? Did they divorce? What do you think?
To stay married.
I am so happy Greg and Deanna decided to stay together. Guys, look, one thing I loved about what they said was that they are growing to love one another. This couple took it nice and slow. You know, they didn't jump into intimacy like the other couples did, like the other two couples did. They just took time to learn to know one another better, to grow together, and I am so happy they decided to stay together. I can't wait to see what their future looks like. All right, Aris and Keith. Oh my God. Watch the clip, y'all.
And for that reason, I would like to get a divorce.
What the heck went on? What happened? I don't know what happened. I was sitting on my bed watching this, and I was for sure that, you know, they were gonna make it. They were gonna stay together. I love Iris. I don't know. I mean, I understand where Keith is coming from. They are compatible, and that's what he said. We are compatible. I love her and all that ooey gooey stuff. But he straight up said she did not have the experience that he was looking for. You guys know what that experience is. He was looking for her to be more sexual with him, and he was looking for her to have just love experience, life experience, and I think he made a mistake, y'all. All right, Matt and Amber, go figures. I didn't expect anything different. Check the clip.
I think with everything that we've been through, I think getting a divorce would be the best option.
So guys, you see what I'm saying? I didn't expect anything different from that. I knew that he was not ready for marriage. I felt that Amber was way more into him than he cared about her. He had a lack of respect for her, and he just started calling and talking to other women during the course of the 8 weeks. Like, come on, you couldn't wait for a little more time to pass? I mean, during that time, he was talking to other women. Good riddance, you know. Amber, you can do so much better. The final decision with Beth and Elizabeth and Jamie, we call her Beth. Check it out.
With where you guys are sexually,
I don't love the sexual relationship that we have.
my answer is yes, I want to stay married.
Yeah, that blew my mind away too, right? I did not expect for them to want to stay together. They had the worst relationship. They just had, they would break up, leave one another, come back together, love one another. It was such a toxic relationship, but one thing I noticed was that they really and truly loved one another, and I'm so glad they decided to give it a try and to not divorce. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed my recap of Married at First Sight, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend, and remember, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time. I hope you have an amazing day.